Thank you for watching DJTV.
Church. What's up, y'all? There's a lot of industries that are shut down. A lot of businesses have been closing. If that's like your way of making money right now, then f it. Do it. That's just crazy seeing her. I know this girl. You know, like being on a site and just like seeing some random girl you don't know. That's one thing, you know, but someone you actually know. I know this girl. We used to hang out. I met her on set. We were extras on a movie, and that's how we met. When you're on a movie set, there's a lot of people on set. You know, production people, production assistants, the crew, extras, the talent. It's a big place of meeting people, and I meet people a lot on set. And I met this girl on set. We exchanged numbers. We actually hung out, went to dinner a couple of times. Like, she's cool, but you know, I didn't get like the romantic vibe with her. She was more like a homegirl to me, so I'm like, so I just stopped pursuing her. We've kept in touch. It's been a couple of years already, but the fact that this is a girl that I know, it's different. You know what I mean? It's like just watching a porn and all of a sudden you see like a girl you went to high school with type shit. I'm sure that's happened to plenty of you guys before. This happened to me several times. I don't want to mention any names, but there's this other girl that I used to do background work. She didn't even seem like the type. She was so innocent, so conservative. And I'm talking about like hardcore, like gangbang type, like that. Not just like regular, like softcore, like no, like she was getting it. You feel me? Like, knowing her, I'm like, dude, she does not seem like the type. I'm telling you, like, looks are deceiving. Even personalities can be deceiving. I really thought she was just like a conservative, non-sexual girl, as long as I've known her at least. And this girl, same thing. When I met her, when I hung out with her, she seemed so innocent, so sweet, and like charming. Doing porn was the last thing I would ever think that she'd do. Hey, I mean, it's money. You feel me? There's a lot of money involved in OnlyFans, man. There are girls that are making 6 figures a month, stripping and fingering themselves on camera, and then simps pay them. That's what's keeping the sex economy going. All the simps who are paying these girls monthly memberships, paying all these porn sites, paying for webcam sex sites. It's the simps making the sex economy flourish. I ain't gonna hate. Girls, do your thing. I'm not gonna judge, because I got a lot of female friends who do that stuff. They are in that industry, and they're the sweetest girls in the world. That's why I'm like, I find it ironic. That's why you should never judge a girl. Girls that you see on porn, like, you don't know them, so the image you have of them is like, oh yeah, raunchy, yeah, and you want to like not respect them, you know. But the girls who I know who are very innocent and respectful, I see them in, and it just makes me not think of them differently, but it made me think of like the whole sex trade industry in general all differently. I'm an actor, I'm a YouTuber, I make my money from acting, YouTube, entertainment, not adult entertainment, regular entertainment, selling on eBay, Poshmark. Like, that's my grind. Well, there are girls out there that have that as their grind, putting on a burlesque performance for simps. Hey, if they're making money, keep doing it. Especially right now during the pandemic, there's a lot of industries that are shut down. A lot of businesses have been closing. So if that's like your way of making money right now, then f it, do it. So OnlyFans models, keep up the grind. Don't ever stop. If anyone's judging you, f them. You do you. You're making that bread, you're doing your thing, then flex it on them. Like, what? Don't worry, I'm not gonna judge you. And if people have shit to say about you, then f them. You keep doing you. Alright, girl, keep doing you, and f what people think. Alright, I'm out.
Thank you for watching DJTV.
Church. Peace, guys.